Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Chris Trollo over at Arbutus RV here in beautiful British Columbia. I've got a 2015 Bounder 35K, immaculate condition, full body paint, 40,000 kilometers on it. Let's check it out. So this beautiful unit from Fleetwood clocks in at just over 35 feet. It's powered by a Ford V10 powertrain. Going alongside of it, the first thing you're gonna notice, body paint. This thing looks young. It's 9 years old, but it doesn't look that part. From my understanding, it's been down to California a couple times, but used mostly locally. It was originally sold here. So I'm just going along the underbelly here. You'll see some of the storage pods down low, a big 5,500 watt Cummins ONAN Genset, your water station here on the underside. Peeling around to the back side here, you do have a hitch rated at 5,000 pounds, so a tongue weight of 500 pounds. So if you're storing bikes or something, or you need to tow something small, you can do it. Up above, tucked away, is your rear backup camera, which is always nice to have in something this big. The other thing that stands out to me is slide toppers. There's slide toppers on both sides of this unit. Big awning. I've only got it part way out right now, as you can see, but that is a nice sized awning for nice sunny days. The previous owner did upgrade to solar on this one, so there's a 30 amp controller inside. You've got a Sony TV on the outside here with speakers. I love the entrance. Like, it's one thing I noticed walking in here, the stairs are clean. You got the Fleetwood logo here. You got some controls just as you walk in. And check this out. So not only did they just put some really comfy chairs here, but you're dealing with loungers, man. The recliners is great. So I did drop the shades to eliminate some noise because the highway is something else. So you got a 50/50 stainless steel sink here, which is always a nice touch. Good amount of cabinet space as well too, and they hid lights. You wouldn't believe how long it took me to find these lights. It's hilarious. I learn something new every day. Heavier construction for all the cabinetry, and it's everywhere. They've done such a great job with this. Big Whirlpool microwave, little Atwood stove. This is going to be a dual mode fridge. For those of you that are still looking for this, because you like to dry camp, you're in luck. Just massive amount of space in there. And then the cherry of this unit is, check out the entertainment unit. So you're dealing with a big Sony TV, what looks to be a sound bar below that, and your fireplace, which does give heat, by the way. But look at the lounger. You got overhead cabinetry above that, but the lounger, like, just look at it. It's just such nice shape too. Typically, units in this generation, you'll start to see flaking and like just the wear and tear on the fabric, and this one just does not have it. Tucked neatly behind is a two-piece bath. And it's nice too. Like, it's a good size. It's nice and private. And then if you're entertaining, you get to close this sliding door here and have your own space, which is your big queen bed on the slide out, with your cabinetry. And then the back, your own private bathroom here, with shower, of course. And good sized fiberglass stall, little place to sit. And these seem to be, yeah, those are porcelain sinks. And again, more cabinetry in here too. Space for linen and what have you. And then really secure latching too, so these aren't gonna come flying open in transport. And just down low here, more cabinetry. One last thing I kind of want to point out. So this unit is sitting with not one, but two ACs. There's max air fans as well too. And then it tucked over here, which I think is a little out of place. This would be my one knock, but this is such a slick cupboard. Pops out, that's a great spot for all your canned goods. But in relation to the kitchen, that might have been a miss. I don't know, you tell me. Anyways, guys, again, I want to thank you for watching. I'm going to post up a little more detail below of this video. If you have any questions, the phone number's at the end of the video. Let's get in contact.